Just one quick flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach is a white, sanded paradise, where you and your loved one can get away from it all. With bars right on the beach, it's never been more enjoyable to cool off in the sun. But a holiday isn't all lounging around. Feel the thrill of the wind at your back with a bout of windsurfing. Or experience the thrill of riding a banana boat. Make sure you don't miss the nearby attractions. These options and activities make this a great choice for families or friends. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.